Islamabad, pulsating at the core of Pakistan's spirit, seamlessly blends modernity with the serene embrace of nature and the vibrant tapestry of cultural diversity. Nestled amidst the Margala Hills, Islamabad unfolds as a picturesque sanctuary, boasting meticulously planned infrastructure and a myriad of captivating attractions. Marvel at architectural wonders like the Faisal Mosque, an epitome of grandeur in minimalist design, or the Pakistan Monument, standing proudly as a beacon of national unity with its panoramic city views. Explore the tranquil ambiance of Shakarparian Park, an ideal retreat for picnics and leisurely strolls, or embark on exhilarating hiking adventures through Margala Hills National Park, immersing yourself in its scenic vistas and diverse wildlife. Dive into the city's rich cultural mosaic, from the immersive heritage displays of Lake Grimsel Museum to the vibrant arts and cultural events hosted by Rawalpindi Arts Council and National Art Gallery. Satiate your desire for retail therapy at the upscale Centaurus Mall, or unearth hidden treasures in local markets such as Jinnah Supermarket, where global and indigenous goods intertwine. Tantalize your taste buds with Islamabad's culinary delights, ranging from authentic Pakistani flavors to tantalizing international cuisines, amidst the eclectic dining scene of F6 Markaz. Experience the cosmopolitan allure of the diplomatic enclave, adorned with foreign embassies, and marvel at the architectural marvels lining Constitution Avenue. Delve deeper into the region's rich history at Taxila Museum, where ancient artifacts from the Gandhara civilization whisper tales of a bygone era. Plan your visit during the balmy spring or autumn months to bask in Islamabad's natural splendor at its zenith. Embark on an enriching odyssey through Islamabad's vibrant tapestry of modernity, natural beauty, and cultural dynamism, capturing the very essence of Pakistan's indomitable spirit.